Okay, we'd like to show you how to install the 12 volt cord into the pureAir Motion, and in doing so we'll also show you how we're going to remove this back cover. That's a question that we get quite frequently. So to remove the back cover, you just hold it face down in your hands like so. Put your thumbs on the back cover, which is this whole back half. You can see the brake line there. And put your thumbs on it with friction, just slide it forward until it pops off, just probably not even quite a quarter of an inch, and then separate the two. They go just like that. And now that we've got it open, we'll take our 12 volt cord here and you plug it in like so, and you will run it if you want to go to the top hole. So when the cover's on, there are two holes, the top one and the bottom one, and that depends on how your cup holder is made, whether or not it has a gap all the way to the bottom, or if the gap doesn't extend all the way to the bottom, then you want to use the top hole. So assuming that we want to use the bottom hole, we'll put it in here, and if we were using the top hole, we would just go ahead and run it out right there. But with the bottom hole, we're going to turn that 90 degrees and run it all the way down through there, and this will just hold it nice, so when we reapply the cover, it'll stay nice and in position. Also offers a strain relief for that cord. If you snagged it on something, it wouldn't damage it inside the unit. Then when you put it back on, you'll just want to make sure that the wire goes into the hole. You put it back on about where it was before, and make sure that these are touching, and less than a quarter of an inch right there, and then hold it again like that and pull back towards yourself. And it takes a little work sometimes to get everything lined up, but it'll pop back into place and be nice and secure, just like that. And then you set it into your cup holder and plug it into your 12 volt outlet inside of your car.